Hello, my name is Deidre Johnson, and I am the CEO and Executive Director for the Center for African American Health. We are thrilled to be in our new building, located in Northeast Park Hill in Denver, Colorado. Our goal is to raise $4.7 million so we can own the building and be a sustainable presence for years to come. We are so very grateful for the many donors who've already supported our capital campaign. We invite others to join us. Please help us to make this dream of owning our own new building become a reality. Thank you for your support.
We've done a lot of things in the museum with different partners, but there are none that are more important than our partnership with the Center for African American Health.
I support all community groups and especially the center in behalf of what its mission is all about and how we partner with them in many different ways.
As a pastor, I think it's critically important for churches to be a part of their community. And it's one of the things that I love about the Center for African American Health.
The Center for African American Health is an organization that is committed in all senses of that word to improving the physical and mental health of the Black African American community in the Metro Denver region.
It offers services and education to the community that has long been neglected by people in charge and the medical community.
It's specifically targeted towards African Americans that are under-resourced or unresourced in our community.
Our organization is in the community, is a part of the community, is working in the community to be a partner, not only with churches like my own, but to be a partner with so many different organizations and with families and schools.
Providing invaluable resources to the community, including testing and distribution of PPE, supporting those in need who have lost their jobs.
The data is clear. Those most likely to be on the front lines during this pandemic, those most likely to have underlying health conditions and therefore devastating outcomes during this pandemic, and those who are losing jobs or businesses and having to homeschool children without adequate technology or housing or food are probably women. And they are most likely to be women who are Black, Latina, and Indigenous.
My name is Seneca Donald, and I've been taking a few programs that the Center for African American Health offers.
My name is William Parson with CAA. Is that they provided food for me this Christmas, a food basket, which was very helpful with a big family. And also they're gonna give me some help with finding a job and getting me job training.
I took the Aging Mastery Program, and that was really great, helpful information. I got to bond and meet with several of the participants and really enjoyed it, the weekly classes. And now I'm in the Journey to Wellness, and that's great also. It's really been helpful and uplifting. I love their programming and I love what they're doing in the community.
So I was on Instagram and the Center for African American Health popped up. It was a flyer and it stated that, if you needed help this Christmas for a food basket, to call a certain number. And they also had other resources on the flyer for help for mental health, and help with your utility bills and housing and just health screening and all kind of sort of stuff.
We need to fund this organization and as it grows and grows, because it's just a real benefit to the community. It's in a great place. Yes, please fund the Center for African American Health.
We appreciate the Center for African American Health for providing not only a voice, but the support and the services that are necessary.
I'm delighted to be a supporter and an honorary co-chair of this capital campaign in support of their new home.
I give because we will build a more just community, and I'm investing in a more racially just tomorrow.
And my support is because I believe so in health and education across the board, but specifically for African Americans.
And I give because the center will continue a legacy of leadership. This is our moment, and I invite you to join us.